Hello, my name is Jesus with TEXA USA. Today, we're going to be performing a full diagnostic service on this 2011 Chevy Cruze, along with using the Motor TruSpeed Solutions. First thing we're going to do is make sure that we are connected to the proper vehicle with our selection. There's a lot of ways that you can do this. One of the ways that everybody goes through is to do the auto VIN detect, which is what we have here, the passenger cars. This is the Scan VIN 2.0. It auto detects that we have the correct selection. We have the VIN up top decoded already, so it knows that it is a 1.8 liter. And from there, we have a list of all of the available systems. Depending on what trim you have, some of these features may not be included. In order to see which features and which systems are equipped on this vehicle, the best way to figure that out is to do the global scan. It's called the TGS3. It will try to communicate with every single available module. You can see here, connection information. So it tells you, requires OBD, shows you where on the vehicle the OBD port would be located. It is on the driver's side. And we do also have a short little video that shows you where you can find it. It'll ask you to make sure that the vehicle is in the run position, which is either key on, engine off, or you can have the vehicle running. So it is now initializing our VCI, which is the TXT Multihub that we are using today. This will go through a full scan, communicate with all the modules, see which one replies back. Now it is loading up the data, gonna show us our search results. We have a full list over here now, all of the modules that we have. As you can see here, we have different designations. So green check mark means that it is able to communicate with the module. If it is in yellow, that means that it was able to detect the module. However, there is a fault code that was indicated. And if it shows up with a red X, that means that the module did not respond, so it is most likely not equipped on the vehicle. So you have two options. You have the quick scan that just gives you the list of modules that we have available. If we go ahead and hit the DTC detected, it gives you a little bit more information. So this tells you on those marked yellow, it'll let you know what the fault codes are that were present on there, as well as the severity. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go into the body computer, which is the body control module. This vehicle is a 2011, so this is going to be the correct selection for us. All right, and we are inside the diagnosis for the body control. The first thing you'll see is that it'll always direct you to the faults page when you enter the diagnosis. That way you can see what's going on here. You have a few here, 2 active and then 2 memorized codes. The 2 that we want to focus on are the active codes, and this would be for the circuit control of the license plate lights. Since we know that we do have codes here for the license plate light circuit, we can now make use of the Motor TruSpeed repair solution. We can use that to help troubleshoot what's going on with the fault codes. With Motor TruSpeed, you get technical service bulletins, wiring diagrams, OEM specifications, and repair procedures right at your fingertips. We're going to look at this B3883 code, and from there, we're going to type it in. As you can see here, with Motor TruSpeed, you have a whole bunch of different options, procedures, technical service bulletins, and also DTCs. With that, we're going to go ahead, B3883, go ahead, hit search, and bam, gives you a whole list of the trouble codes. Now we select on it, gives you the instructions, gives you the descriptions, and the conditions that cause the light to go on as well. So this gives you a step-by-step of what to test in order to try to pinpoint the problem. And this isn't just for this one code. This is for every single available code for this vehicle. And that's just some of the diagnostic functions and capabilities of the IDC5 software from TEXA, along with the Motor TruSpeed service repairs. My name is Jesus with TEXA USA. Thank you.